Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning and planning. This prevents peeling later. Use alcohol and a lint-free cloth, wait 30 seconds, then test on scrap paper. Once done, arrange stickers without removing backing so you can see spacing and composition. Use tweezers for tiny pieces or a toothpick for repositioning. This gives precision and avoids fingerprints. Make sure to leave 1/2 to 1 cm between elements for a balanced look. Now you're ready to peel the first sticker carefully and place it. Once you peel a corner, hold the sticker by the edge and avoid stretching the adhesive. That prevents warping. You should align by positioning at an angle and touching the center first, then smooth outward to push trapped air toward the edges. Use a bone folder or a credit card wrapped in cloth to press firmly. This ensures full contact and prevents lifting. If layering, apply heavier pieces first and lighter ones on top so each layer bonds properly and looks intentional. You finish by trimming any excess or overhang with a sharp blade, cutting toward the backing to avoid nicking the sticker. Once clean, consider a clear top coat or laminate for items that face wear. This adds 10x durability without changing the look. If an edge lifts, press and re-smooth, or use a tiny dot of craft adhesive. For stubborn curls, apply gentle heat, about a hair dryer distance of 20 cm, and press down while warm. That fixes most problems quickly and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.